all the new homes here in the area. Some of these homes are not available online, but we're gonna see backstage tour so you can see all these developments. And this is the man. Greg Lee is gonna explain how the program works. So for all of our clients here, Greg, the difference for what we do here for our clients, if they put an offer on any one of your homes,
yes.
I'm gonna buy their home. So remember our banners here?
Yes, I do remember
you
that.
buy this home and I'll buy yours, because one of the biggest challenge people buying a new homes is that they have a house
yes.
to sell, so they put an offer subject to the sale of their home.
That is correct.
So we are the only company that actually guarantees the sale of our client's home. So when they come to you, they can put an offer that's no longer subject to the sale of existing home.
It makes it a much seamless process. Yes.
Yeah, so let's go. Let's
go take a look.
All right, so this is one of our new homes here that we're gonna take a look. See, if you are looking to buy a new home, we have access to a bunch of homes, including homes that's not available online. And you'll be the first one. So if you wanna set up a backstage new homes tour, all you need to do, call 626-789-0159. Again, a private backstage new homes tour, so we can show you homes that match your criteria that's not available online. Call 626-789-0159. Hey, so some of the events that we do, buy this new home, we'll buy yours. So the way how the program works is when you put an offer on any of the new homes that our Titanium Real Estate Network show you in our database, is that we gonna put an offer on your home. How it benefits you is that now you can put an offer on the homes that match your criteria that's no longer subject to the sale of your existing home. So your offer is more likely to get accepted. Let's go take a look at the second home here. Well, what we are talking about, we are inviting our clients here to set up a private tour that we can show them. We give them a private tour of homes that match their criteria, including new homes, right? New homes all over LA County, all over Southern California, all over San Diego and stuff like that, before, or homes that's not available online. So all you need to do, call 626-789-0159, and then Stella here, or Molly, or Louis, or anybody in our new home team is gonna be able to set up a private tour of new homes that match your criteria that's not available online.
Hi, this is Tim with the Rudy Consumer Home Selling Team. I got a special invitation to go through the Irvine Company Toll Brothers brand new development. We got the chance to visit the Bella Vista properties, 3 different home types. One great feature about these properties is they're ready to go, and we have some of these properties are ready to go and ready to be sold, and so all you have to do is just give us a call and we'll be able to help you get into these properties.
Hi everyone, this is Jay, and today we had the opportunity to be able to tour the Toll Brothers home. And it's a beautiful property, and in terms of, you have to come and see it, so give us a call and let's go ahead and schedule you a private tour. Thank you.
I learned that the houses come with different options that add on, like swimming pool, all the amenities, and then sometimes, like if it's 2.5 million, it can be 5 million next door with the model home.
Hi everyone, this is Mary from Rudy Consumer Home Selling Team. Today we have a really good time with all the co-worker, and Rudy brought us here to Toll Brothers new home in Irvine. And what I have learned about this tour is that the house here is amazing. It's so beautiful, yeah, and very luxurious. So I think it's a good choice if you want to have a good home, nice home, pretty home in Irvine. Please consider this location. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rose Dong with Rudy Consumer Selling Team. Today we are here at the new home in Irvine, and we are really like it. The home is very nice. So if you need any new home, so just call me. My name is Louis Dong, and my cell phone is 626-945-1998. Okay, so I'm going to give you a tour, like a new home tour. So in Irvine, okay, just call me Louis Dong 626-945-4998. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Just now we talk about homes that's not available online, right? So for our buyers, clients, how do we have access to new homes like this that's not available online? They cannot see it online. Just now you heard from the builders themselves, right? They don't put out of 100, maybe they put like 2, 3, 4, 5, right? That means there's 95 that's not. So how do we do that?
Just bring the buyer to the
Yep. So what you do is that Karen have access to a lot of homes just like this, including new homes that's not available online, right? So all you need to do, call 626-789-0159.
Okay.
Stella and Chris, so today we are looking at all these new homes, and you heard it from the builders just now that out of 100 new homes, majority of it, like 95% of it, is not available online. So the problem is that most real estate agents, they only show homes to their clients, homes that's available online. So that means the normal traditional home buyers, they're missing out 98% of the time, right? So Stella and Chris, like how would, in our VIP home buying system, how would the buyers have a different experience when they're working with our team versus the traditional real estate agent?
For us, we actually show VIP buyers home that's not available online, such as new homes.
Yeah.
So we show the properties we find properties that is not available for nobody else. They cannot see it.
But that sounds too good to be true, right? Like how can you actually do it practically?
That's why we come into these places, first of all, to see all the properties, right? So it's good to have more resources to find properties.
And this is just one. Throughout LA County and Orange County, there's literally thousands of new homes.
It's so easy just to go to the MLS and just check whatever is active, and but you have to do your work.
Yeah.
So that's why we are here, trying to find properties that's not really available on the internet for the client.
What about you, Stella? Like, what do you do every day? Because you work a lot with buyers. In fact, this month alone, Stella here helped 6 families this month getting into their dream home. Like, what do you do that separate you from the traditional real estate agent?
So for me, I spend a lot of time looking at homes that is not available in the internet that fits the buyer's criteria.
Yeah.
So it's very important to find homes that fit the buyer's criteria, what they are looking for.
First, we need to know what the buyers are looking for.
Yes.
Then, every day, like Chris was saying, look for homes that match the buyer's criteria. That's in addition to what's on the MLS. Of course, we look at the active MLS, but then there's many more for sale by owners like these new homes. Did you hear just now? 70% of the build in this location sold before they even build a house.
Not all are listed in the internet as well.
They only say 98.7% is not listed.
Yeah.
You have to update yourself. Just start looking for more places. You cannot be stuck in one place. Everybody's looking in the same place. It's more competition too.
Yeah. So that's why in our team for the past 10 years, we've been focusing on how to give access to homes that match our clients' criteria in addition to what's on the MLS. Right? All right, it's been an awesome day. But if you like to set up a private tour on a new home tours, all you need to do, call 626-789-0159. We have a bus full of new home specialists here in our team, Titanium Real Estate Network. These people, they are not just going to show you homes that you can see online. In addition to that, we're going to have a lot of these homes that match your criteria that's not available online. All right, so let's go.